Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Manita as usual. So in this video we are going to do a DIY. I'll be creating some clothes from the old clothes that we don't use. For an overview, I'll be creating from this to this. So let's stick to the video, and before moving on to the video, please subscribe to my channel and do like this video if you think it's worth it. So without wasting any time, let's go. So this is the pant that we have taken. We are going to cut this pant into several pieces and then try to work on with the type of things that we can make from that pieces. So first of all, we are going to cut the two sides of the legs and then keep the upper part of the upper part as a short, and we can use it directly without having to do anything, as the rubber stays up and we don't have to make anything. Then the one side of the leg is cut. We are cutting it into two pieces so that the upper short piece can be used as a top, and then the lower piece we can think of what we can create from it. And the other leg is we are going to directly use it as a dress, and then that's it. So guys, now we are done stitching it. We manually did it because we don't have stitching machine, and I think we are a pro. So I'm just kidding. We stitched this top in the upper part, then the dress in the lower part, and for the short we didn't stitch because I think it looks better without stitching. It gives that feral kind of look. So next thing is to try on, so let's go. So this is the first piece. As you can see, it is a mini tube dress, so it fits perfectly because the cloth, it is stretchable, so we didn't have any difficulty to put on. And as you can see, the front is nice, the fitting is nice, so that's it. And the stitching is like not visible from very close also, so it looks nice. So we'll try next piece. So this is the short and the top. As you can see, the top was a little bit longer, so I had to fold it, and the short, as you can see, one side is longer than the other, so I'll have to fix it. It's just cutting off the piece and then it's done. So it goes really nice, like it looks like a two-piece cloth. So tell me, what do you think about this piece? So next, I'm going to try the dress as a skirt to go together with the top and make it look like a two-piece skirt and a top. So let's see. So this is the next combination, the top with the skirt. I just folded the dress and then made it into a skirt. So it looks nice, pretty, like sweet. We can wear it in a casual day also. We can wear it with a jacket, and then we are all set to go. So what do you think? Do let me know. So apart from that dress, tube and the short, there is another piece that we created, me and my sister. This was another pant, same like the other pant, and we took piece from there and made it into this swan string top. And as you can see, because this piece is not stretchable, we attached zip over here so that it is comfortable while putting it on. Then we added this string and it looks really sweet. I wore this in one of my IGTV and a lot of people liked it, so I thought I should show this. It was just we cut a piece from the leg pant, then we attached it measuring to our size. Then we stitched it in both of the ends and attached a zip. Then we stitched the top part and the bottom part and then attached the string, and it was ready.